Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a jade roller, and I'm going to be telling you guys 5 benefits of using one and why I incorporate it in my self-care routine. Okay, so what I like to start with is a face oil. So usually right when I get out of the shower, I will go ahead and use this vitamin A and E oil, and I will go ahead and put it on my face. I am almost out of this. And I'll kind of like warm up my hands, put it like this, and then I will tap it into the skin at first. And I kind of go crazy with the oil. I don't know if you really necessarily need this much. And I will put it on my neck also. But I find like once I get out of the shower, I'll just put a good layer of oil on. And I'll let it sit probably for 10 to 15 minutes. And I'll still kind of have a good amount of oil left over. And then that's when I will grab my jade roller. So I've been using the jade roller for a few months now, and I have noticed such a huge difference in my skin. As you can see, like I get kind of like little bumps. I get redness a lot right here. So with the jade roller, I feel like the bumps have gone down, like they've been a lot smoother than before. So the texture of the skin is so much smoother, and then I feel like my skin has been a lot more glowy. So what I'll do first is I will go ahead and grab the jade roller, and then I will always move upward. So I'll just go like this with the bigger side, and I'll just massage it. And what I find the most relaxing about this is, and you're constantly going to be moving upward, is the number one benefit from the jade roller is just being able to reduce stress. And you're reducing the stress on your face. And it's kind of like that self-care moment that we all need. And I find that this, like, I'll probably take a shower 2 to 3 times a week. And I will go ahead and do this right after the shower. So I don't do this every single day, but when I do it, it's just kind of like a moment for myself. And another thing that I like to do is while I'm doing this, I kind of think of things that I'm grateful for, and then I'll also think of one positive thing about myself. So usually when we look in the mirror, we're really harsh on ourselves, and we'll kind of find the things that we don't like about ourselves. But I'll try to focus on something that I really admire about myself that day. So right now I am enjoying my eyebrows, even though my eyebrow hairs are kind of coming in and it's getting a little bushy. I'm just grateful for them, and I'm finding something to be positive about rather than focus on kind of the negative things about that I would normally do. This way you kind of create a habit with yourself to just find something good about yourself. So going back to the jade roller, you're constantly going to want to move upward. And another great thing, well, another benefit, the second benefit of this is it helps with redness and kind of your complexion. So just smoothing that out. And then with the forehead, move it outward. And then this is just so relaxing. And then with the nose, I like to just kind of go in and then set it down and then just kind of push it up. So I'll turn this around and I will grab just the smaller side, and I'll go right under my eyes, and I will lift. So then I'm just gonna go under the eye gently and constantly making sure you're going upward. Same with by the nose, just like the little spots that I couldn't reach with the bigger side. And I'll just kind of massage it outward. So the third benefit of using a jade roller that I've found also to be true is the depuffing of the face. So if you guys don't know, I have Hashimoto's, which causes a lot of water retention, a lot of puffiness in the face. And I promise you this will work. It helps with the drainage of everything. So you reduce the toxins in your skin, and you're also getting rid of the puffiness. And you can go in like over the eye, but you just need to be really gentle. Because I tend to get really puffy over here too, like especially when I wake up. So I'll go in, and you can close your eyes, go over your eye, but you just need to be really gentle. And I really like to focus on this little crow's feet spot. I know I don't really have crow's feet, but I just like to go in and just kind of massage it and go upward. Okay, so the fourth benefit is that it reduces tension in the skin. So you're just gonna go up like this. And when you reduce the tension in the skin, it helps with kind of like reducing wrinkles, because it's not completely holding that like tension in your skin. So it's not like you're constantly having that angry, like, you know, when you're creasing your skin like this, but then now you're just gonna go ahead and smooth it out. So you're smoothing the wrinkles out, which definitely helps. Now, I don't know, like I've only been doing this for probably 3 months, so I can't say like it's reduced wrinkles, but that's one of the things that I've researched, that it says long term that it will reduce your wrinkles. So hey, it's an added benefit. And just doing the same thing on this side, along the mouth. And I would like to focus kind of like around the mouth right here, because I tend to get like kind of that wrinkle or that line, smile line. Smooth that out. Same with the nose. And you see that it's getting red just because I'm like constantly going over it. That'll go away. Building that up, going on the nose, lifting. And then same for the forehead. I'm gonna go ahead and go outward. I feel like my hands keep slipping because of the oil. Go upward right here too, between. And you don't have to just use the face oil. You can use a sheet mask and then go over this too. Again, this is more of like just something to be super relaxing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. And the Jade Roller stays pretty cool. So you can put this in the fridge, and especially on a day where you're feeling even more puffy than normal, then put it in the fridge and go ahead and do the same massage. Deep puffing. Love doing this. So the fifth benefit of using a Jade Roller would be the blood circulation. And you're getting that blood flow to go everywhere, so that improves collagen production, which we all want. Going with my nose a bit more. Okay, so the very last thing that I like to use is this, and I really love this. I kind of feel like it's like a natural contour because it has those like ridges right here, and then you put it right where your jawline is, and then you just kind of pick it up. And this also helps with draining toxins, getting rid of that puffiness, And I feel like it gives you that natural contour because you're not as puffy. And I love this so much. Like, it's helped me so much with my puffiness. I like to go along the neck too. And I feel like with always being on my phone, like I'm constantly looking down, so it's like building this like fine line right here. I mean, it's not super noticeable or anything, but I like to use this and I just go upward. I'm going against gravity, hoping that it'll work long term. But honestly, it's really relaxing. And I feel like it's made a difference, especially right here too. Just kind of use it to smooth out under my chin. Get rid of that double chin. I'm gonna lift again. And I mean, you don't have to do it as many times as me, but I just like to do it till I feel like it's good and depuffed. And you can also use this on the face. Again, like just building upward, doing the drainage. But usually on the face, I prefer to use the Jade Roller. I feel like it works really well. But anyways, I really recommend the Jade Roller just for something that you can incorporate in your self-care routine. And it's just super relaxing. It only takes a few minutes, not even a few minutes. Like, you can do it in a few seconds just when you get out of the shower, just so you have that kind of moment for yourself. But also it helps with your skin, your glow, and just draining out those toxins. So there's so many benefits. I say give it a try. I know a lot of people hype it up, but after the past 3 months of me trying it, like, I have noticed a big difference in my skin. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I do a new video every single Sunday, so if you guys like to watch more videos on self-care, health, and lifestyle tips, go ahead and subscribe below. And until the next video, bye guys!